Crude is up today, but set to end the week lower. Ines Ferre is here to break down all the action. Hey, Ines.
Hey, Rochelle. Yeah, as you just mentioned earlier, energy seeing a bump today, a little bit of a rebound with WTI, West Texas Intermediate, up more than 3% right now. But if we take a look at the week, it's still heading for a third week of losses. As of yesterday, it had been down about 10% for the week. The S&P 500's Energy Select ETF XLE, it's a leader today. But if we pull up a 5-day chart, it's clearly the biggest laggard for the week, down about 5%. Now, this slide really has played out in tandem with the banking turmoil and concerns of a recession. We saw that as regional bank stocks came under pressure earlier this week, oil prices tanked. Now, another factor impacting prices this week is data suggesting that China's reopening isn't totally linear. China saw factory activity contract unexpectedly in April, reducing demand expectations. And China reopening, though, is broadly seen as bullish for oil. But make no mistake, if we continue to see continued pressure on the banking sector, this could have an impact on oil. Here's what analyst Tom Closa had to say to Yahoo Finance recently.
If we get a debacle in the financial markets, it will definitely have collateral damage in oil.
And on Wednesday, the Fed raised interest rates by 25 basis points. Now, that rise is expected to further put the brakes on the economy and reduce oil demand. And as we wrap up the week here, the latest jobs number beat expectations, still showing a hot labor market. And the expectation is that energy demand could stay strong. So overall, the selling that we saw earlier this week, it may have been a bit overdone. And that's why you're seeing the price action also on oil today go higher.
Indeed. And ending a tough week on a high note, at least so far. Thanks so much, Ines.